Hello? Anybody here? Does anyone live here? I'm lost. Hello? Is somebody here? I'm lost. And it's raining outside and this house was empty. And do you have a phone? Or can you please help me? I know it's late, but oh my God, you're scaring me. Ryan, is that you? Ryan, I know you're in here somewhere, right? Right? I mean, Ryan? It's not fucking funny, guys, you know? It's just really not fucking funny. You leave me out in the woods, I wake up in the car, there's nobody there, there's no keys. What's going on? This is the only house I've seen, and it's been like 2 hours. Brian? Jeff?
You're not alone.
Jeff? Is that you? I hear somebody over there by the steps. It's gotta be you guys. It's me. I'm over by the door. It's really dark, guys. Let's get going. My mom's gonna be really nervous if I'm not home tomorrow morning. So let's, guys. Oh, God. If I have to come up there, I'm gonna be really upset. Oh, God. Hello? Okay, I'm coming up. Matches, awesome. Very good. Now, let's see. What? Hello? Oh, baby? There's a baby? This is not a place for a baby. Hello? Jeff? Is it you guys? You're very convincing. Now let's, come on. Let's go. Guys, are you up here? No. Guys, if it's you, guys, I'll never forgive you. Guys, I don't want to go out there. Guys, please don't make me come after you. It's enough with the practical jokes, you know. I'm sorry that Ryan, I'm sorry that I cheated on you, but I think we've been going apart, but I think it's time to make it better. And Jeff, if you could just drive us home. I promise that things will change. I promise that I'll wash your car. I just want to go home. I just want to see my mom. She's gonna be so worried. And your mom's too, you know. It's not just my mom, but you don't want to do this. I just want to go home. I don't want to be tiptoeing in a storm. It's an abandoned house. Why can't we just go home? Oh my God. What the hell was that? Holy shit. Is that a phone? Hello? Please help. Hello? This isn't funny anymore. Who's ever doing this? This isn't funny.
There's no way out, and we have you now forever.
Lucy, can you hear me? He's got me trapped in the basement. Ryan's dead.
Oh my God.
Run! Save yourself!
Jeff, where are you? No, please. Horrible joke.
Just come to the base.
I'm coming. Don't hurt him. I'm coming.